And welcome to a new video. This video we're gonna talk about some new strategies and some ways you can improve your account. So right now I got Amroof accounts. Um, Sometimes I use it and help him and do stuff like luxury cruise and some others because he doesn't play that much right now. Um, he, I'm gonna show you what he currently has. So his Charizard has 22k attack, defense, and 23k defense. Uh, well, it's not the best equipment ever. Um, so it's okay because these ones we can improve them, but he currently doesn't have diamonds. I mean crystals to upgrade them. Once we upgrade them, um, we're gonna save some gold. So we don't want to sell any of these equipments and buy some others, even if we have diamonds, because these ones are already upgraded, and that will mean a lot of wasted gold. So there, if your currently guild doesn't have the the boss level to get the crystals, where you can get you can get them in a few places like probably here you can get crystals here as well. So we want the red ones to first upgrade them. Once we get enough crystals here to upgrade all this equipment, we're gonna have a boost. And as well, these are level 60 and 50, so it sucks, and we're level 88. But what he's doing good is that he's using the Pokemon team comps, which gives him a lot of bonus. That's why he's so strong with such a weak equipment. Well, he doesn't have all the ones, but he's working on it. His team has a good composition, but the only thing I don't like here is that he has 3 front lane Pokemons. Well, that means more defense, but it's not necessary. So we want at least one guy in the middle. We got 2 long range, which is good. These 2 guys are gonna inflict all the damage, and we want 2 front lanes to take all the damage. This Pigeon is great at it. That's why I will keep him, even he doesn't fit that much, but he already has the advanced team compositions. So I can easily get the flying stones like you see here. It's just missing these 2, and they're already a little advanced in his stars, but we can work on it. Like this is currently has a great defense. Probably will swap the equipment here. I want Aerodactyl to do more damage, so what we're gonna do this one as well, we can easily get this. For now, let's take off this. We want the damage in the back, since Aerodactyl has more damage than Pigeon, just because he attacks 2 times and he also has high speed. So we're gonna do this and do this. Alright, We want Pigeon to absorb damage. That's for now until we upgrade all this stuff. Let's see if we can actually enchant this. Alright, he doesn't have that much. As well, doesn't have a lot of things to enchant his equipment at this moment. So as well, we're gonna replace Venusaur with probably Jirachi, because we someone in the middle that is useful, and this legendary little guy gives you probably the strongest shields, or one of the strongest shields here in the game. He's annoying to deal with, plus combining him and the Pigeon, we're gonna be really hard to get killed. I'm currently I know he uses grass equipment, that's what I was told. But he's really strong. As well, he has decent damage. He'll be protecting front and as well the back lane from AoE attacks. And that will mean that we can actually be it's way stronger than we are currently at. So let's see. These are Pokemons, like I mentioned, he already has advanced stuff. Like this one, it's almost level 5. I just need to evolve it. Probably I will start feeding him right now. So we want him to be level 48 so we can evolve him. Once he's evolved, and plus the effort points reach 480, we're just gonna activate it here, the Pokédex. So, and one more it's gonna be left for Aerodactyl to be stronger. Right, he's currently top 17 with his current equipment. He only has 2 orange guys. I mean, promoted to yellow. We can promote Charizard. That's the next step. Almost there as well. Only 70 more in a few days. We can probably do that. He's currently he doesn't have that much advance here, so it's not even level 50. We need to get this to at least 50,000 CP. The reason for that, he currently has some legendaries. As well, we can work on the legendaries, but we'll need Lugia to finish them. Okay, so let's take off. Here they are. This one's are 50,000. Let's take this off from here, and we're gonna put them here because he has more advanced stuff there. You can see the CP reached 80,000. We want to reach 100,000 here CP. You'll see why. You can see almost the 100,000. The reason I want this is because in expeditions you can actually get a decent amount of stuff here, like the plate stuff. Of course it uses some diamonds, but it's just a few diamonds, and what I want is these crystals, comet shards. I want all the comet shards as possible because this equipment needs to be upgraded. Once we upgrade all this, we can probably be in the top 10. Way easy. Let's see who are in the top 10. So this is my other account. We got this guy. This guy is just in the top with all this low CP just because of his strategy, which means he only focused on upgrading all these three. These two front lanes have a lot of damage. They don't have a lot of defense, but Jiraiya is in charge of that. Once he put some damage in the back, he can probably be out trouble for me here. That's me. Alright. So we can easily take off probably this guy, and this guy, he doesn't play anymore, so we can take them all off from here. From the top 10s, we can easily become top 10 there. Alright, let's see here what else we can upgrade. Well, this chart and this guy, and as well this guy are doing okay. Like I mentioned, this one I will replace it for Jiraiya, and my plan is getting this guy, another legendary, which is Raikou and Suicune. We were just missing Entei. We already have Lugia, and if we get, I'm sorry, we already have Hu. We just need Lugia. Once we get Lugia, we're gonna go ahead and rape everyone with this absolute field. Oh, look at this. Let me see if he already has badges. Yeah, he's looking good with badges. But we're trying to get all of the red ones, of course. But it takes time. We're now focusing on upgrading the good equipment is the best thing we can do right now. We currently at the top, so we get 5 comet shards a day easy. And here, I think he wants to promote this guy to Mega, since he already has all Mega Pokemons. As well, we can replace Aerodactyl, and so we can do the same strategy as the guy who has low CP and he's a top player. But for me, that wouldn't be the best way, the best road, because like this guy has way more damage than those two, even than Big Drill. Big Drill is better when attacking a single target, so he's good cleaning up what's left. So right now we're looking good with this equipment, so I hope Amruf watches this video so he knows what we're doing with his account. And as well, if you get us, try to do as much trials as possible, try with trainer and as well trial. That way we can get some of these exotic medicine. With this we can go ahead and upgrade stuff You could upgrade your Venusaur from stat 2 to stat 3 where you get more defense. Well, you are currently Venusaur and you upgrade the other two pre-evolutions, we as well get those stats. It doesn't look that much, but if you combine all this, it gives you this decent amount plus the team benefits. You get like 50 more of what you currently have, so that brings your CP way up, and that way you can probably destroy all people. I'll show you another examples as well. I'm gonna show you Rax account, which is way more weaker than this one. That one has more stuff that it needs to be worked on, but that'll be probably in another video. I just made this video way too long, so I'm gonna be uploading another video, guys. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Lol, any problem? What? Right, see you.